Are you ready to take on the toughest off-road trails? If so, you might want to consider upgrading your ride with King Shocks. They are the ultimate in off-road suspension technology, giving you racing level performance that you can directly bolt on to your ride. King Shocks are fully customizable to meet your specific needs. They offer a wide range of options including adjustable compression, rebound damping, remote reservoirs, and custom valving. This means you can fine-tune your suspension to match your driving style, vehicle, and terrain. And what's the best part? They're built to last. They're made from a high-quality material like aircraft-grade aluminum and hardened steel, so they can withstand extreme temperatures, harsh terrains, and heavy loads. With King Shocks, you can count on your suspension to keep working no matter what challenges you face. So get ready to tackle even the most challenging trails with ease and comfort. We have King Shocks in stock, ready to ship today. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your ride at Modify.com.